Stop by and take a look at the 2016 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, stability control, daytime running lights, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, speed proportional power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.